If you're seeing an unexpected error in the Gamma app, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few quick fixes you can try right now to get back to creating your presentation. This is especially helpful if Gamma keeps failing while generating slides, loading your prompt, or working with large files. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tips and fixes. First, try duplicating the AI prompt. Copy your presentation prompt text, open a brand new workspace tab, and paste it in again. Sometimes Gamma just hits a temporary glitch in one session, and starting fresh can solve the issue immediately. If the error shows up again, the next thing to do is simplify the input. Shorten your prompt if it's very long, and if you uploaded images or files, try using smaller versions instead. Massive files can slow the process down and trigger timeout errors, especially when the app is under heavy load. Keeping the input lighter often makes Gamma respond much more reliably. Next, disable your browser extensions, especially ad blockers and privacy tools. These extensions sometimes block scripts that Gamma needs to run properly, even if they are not supposed to. Turn them off temporarily, then refresh the page and test Gamma again. If the app starts working, you'll know one of those extensions was causing the problem. Another very common fix is simply to wait and retry. Gamma's servers can get busy during peak traffic, and that can trigger temporary unexpected errors for lots of users at the same time. Give it a few minutes, refresh the page, and try again. In many cases, the problem clears on its own without you needing to change anything else. If you've tried all 4 steps and Gamma is still not working, the issue may be temporary on Gamma's side, so checking back later is usually the best move. The good news is that most unexpected error messages are caused by one of these simple issues, and they can usually be fixed in just a few minutes. So remember the order: duplicate the prompt, simplify the input, disable extensions, and wait before retrying. That's the fastest way to troubleshoot Gamma app unexpected errors and get back to building your content. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.